Up, saan si Thailand? Ate Thailand! Ate Thailand! Baby si Thailand! Ito si Thailand! Gusto nang niyayakap. Ah, Thailand. Thailand. Oh, Thailand, baby. Pagkakalabot ni Mami. My hair is so long. Why? Why are touching my hair? Ayan, no? Bye! Thailand! Hmm? Hi, si baby. This is our baby, Thailand. Thailand. Sino yun? There's Thailand. Thailand. Hi. Say hi. Tignan mo. Hello po. This is Thailand. Kita yung tuton ni Thailand. Hello. Sino yun? Sino yun? Ah. May baby dito. May baby. May baby na naglalambing. Ang kulit. Ang kulit-kulit. Why? Bakit? Tingin-tingin sa akin, no? Kamis niya ako. Oh, gusto mo mag-hair? Ano mahabang hair? Sige, naano niya yung buko. O, sige, sa'yo na yung buko. You want my hair? Gusto mo yung hair ko? Yours na. Oh. Oh, bakit? I will do my hair. Isa mo? You want my hair? Kailan? Gusto mo yung hair ko? O, sige, sa'yo na yung hair ko. Anong gagawin mo sa hair ko? Ah. Nangis. Nabilang akong hair. So nga ganito, lambing-lambing sa umaga. Gwapo naman ang baby namin. Yan ang baby namin, gwapo naman ah. Gusto niya, tinakarga siya. Pero ang bigat na niya. Siguro more than 20 kilos na itong batang to. Bakit? Why? Bakit mo ako tinitignan? Why are you looking at me, Thailand? Why? Did you miss mommy? Mommy don't have time for Thailand? This dog. I miss mo. You miss mommy. I miss you too. Mommy's so busy with work. You're so heavy na Thailand. You're only 1 year old, but you're so heavy. Oh, look at your feet. It's so big now. And look at your hands, your toes, your legs. So big now. And your Oh, tail. It's so furry now. Look at how Thailand. Oh God. So heavy now. Thailand. Hello. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Just like that. Hi. Say hi. Hi, people. Am I cute? Show your over. That's it. Look over it so that they will not see. Hi. Hi, everyone. I am already 1 year old in 1 month already. I'm 1 year old in 1 month. No. Yeah, almost. Almost 1 year and a month. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Wala si goodbye na. Yep. Yep. You're heavy, Thailand. Let's put it this way. There. Thailand is so heavy na kasi. There. Hi, say hi, say hi. Thailand, this is. Look at your face, your angry face. Your eyes looks angry. This like a zombie. But you are still cute and baby that we love in our family. Thailand took the bath last night.